Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin in the phone app because that's the only built-in way to change your iPhone greeting. Tap voicemail, then greeting. Once there, choose custom to record. Speak clearly and position the microphone close. Your voice level matters because callers judge quality instantly. Make one short practice take so you know wording. When you're ready, tap record and speak naturally. This step sets the recorded file that callers will hear, and it replaces the generic network message. Now focus on execution. Tap record and deliver your greeting with a clear opening and one sentence of purpose, for example, name and brief instruction. Once done, tap stop, and then play to review tone, volume, and content. If any part sounds off, re-record. There's no limit on takes. Make sure you include any alternate contact info only if comfortable. Once satisfied, tap save so the greeting becomes active for incoming calls. This ensures callers hear the exact message you want. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone and listen. If you don't hear your new greeting, make sure visual voicemail is enabled. Some carriers require provisioning. Once done, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates. Updates often fix mailbox display or recording bugs. If the voicemail tab is missing or recordings fail, contact your carrier because voicemail routing is a network service. Key troubleshooting tip: if messages won't save, ensure enough storage and carrier visual voicemail support before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.